Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to use voice typing in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. So guys, it's very easy and simple method. So first you need to click on start. Now click on settings. Now you need to click on privacy. Now speech, click on speech. Now you see this online speech, enable this option. I will also enable. So now close it and you open your Microsoft Edge. Now you need to press and hold window key plus H key. Now you see this is open. Again I will show you window key plus H key. So this is very easy and simple method. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.